Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. So in this video, I'm going to take you through how you can operate the AnyDesk application, the AnyDesk remote desktop application on your phone, on your mobile phone, be it an Android phone or an iPhone. In this case, in this video, I am using an iPhone, so you can see that on that iPhone there's the AnyDesk application on it. If you don't have it installed on your phone, go to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store to download the AnyDesk application. When downloaded, tap on it to open it, and this is what you will see on your phone. So we're going to use the AnyDesk on the phone to connect to this laptop. So I'll open the AnyDesk application on the laptop also. So before you can do this, you need to make sure that the application is installed on both devices, the laptop and then the mobile phone. So when that is done, open the application on your phone and then type the AnyDesk address of the remote computer. In this case, the AnyDesk address of this laptop we are connecting to. So that is the address. You can confirm that that is the same address on the laptop. So when that is done, you want to tap on the connect arrow at the top right to connect to the laptop. So there are two ways you can connect to a remote computer. Through the first way is when somebody accepts the connection on the remote computer, or you can set up what we call the unattended access on the remote computer, so that you wouldn't need anybody to be accepting the connection on the remote computer. So to accept the connection on the remote computer, you click the accept option, and then the phone or the device you are using to connect to the remote computer would then connect to the remote computer, just as we are looking at. So this is the screen of the laptop on the mobile device. You can also, like I said, you can also set up unattended access on the remote PC. So when you try to connect, you will get this prompt on your PC or on your phone. In this case, on this iPhone, I have gotten this prompt. So all I need to do is to enter the unattended access password, toggle the login automatically from now on, and then tap the apply option down there to connect to the remote computer. So once again, you can see the connection is successful. So guys, please forgive me for this video. My camera failed me a bit, so the video is a little bit blur on the mobile phone. So you can see the screen of the laptop on the mobile device. As you can see, the AnyDesk address of the laptop right there on the mobile phone. So you can control the PC on your mobile phone from anywhere in the world. All you need is a reliable internet service on your mobile phone, be it your Android phone or your iPhone, to have a successful and a reliable connection to your remote devices through the AnyDesk application. So you can control your PC from anywhere in the world, just as we are looking at on the screen right now. So let me show you how you can bring up the keyboard on your phone. So slide your finger from the side of your phone towards the middle of the screen, and then you have the option to select the keyboard. So when you slide your finger and then it gets to the keyboard option, you just release your finger from the screen, and then it will bring up the keyboard, and you can use it to type as normally as you would on your laptop or your PC. So let's go through some of the tools you can use or you can have while connected to a remote computer on your mobile device. So slide your finger from the side towards the middle. The first we are looking at is the session settings. So you can view your session settings. You can bring up the file manager. The next one is to select a remote screen. You can select a remote screen. Next on the list is to show the keyboard. So that is how you bring up the keyboard once again, just as we looked at earlier. Slide your finger again, and then we have the actions tool, and then in the actions tool we have extra tools. You can toggle the chat mode, you can send, control, or delete. You can request elevation, administrative elevation. You can take a screenshot of your phone's screen while connected to the remote computer. You can show your systems, the remote computer's systems information. You can also record your phone screen while connected. You can perform a remote restart of the remote computer as well. So all this, when you slide your finger from the side to the middle, you just move your finger to the tool you want to use and then release your finger to select the option. So I just took a screenshot of the screen, and then I also perform a control delete. I'll send control delete to the remote computer. You can see the control delete worked, so you can see that you have these options. I'll click cancel to cancel out of there. And then this is also for the screenshot I tried to take earlier, but I don't want to allow it, so I'll tap the don't allow. But that's how you can take a screenshot of your phone screen while connected to a remote computer, and then also how you can send control delete. So if you're a left-handed person, you can also slide your left finger from the left side of the screen, move your finger onto the tool you want to use, and then when your finger is on the tool, you just release it to use that particular tool, just as I am showing you on the screen now. So last thing I want to show you is to how to end a session, a remote session on your phone while connected to a remote computer. So slide your finger towards the close session to close or to end the session or the remote connection to the remote computer. So yes, guys, we just went through how to operate AnyDesk application on your mobile phone while connected to a remote computer. Kindly subscribe, like, and share the video to support us to bring you more of such videos and to grow this community together. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.